Hello. Okay, so usually we do an ice-breaking activity in the first class. Icebreakers are designed to make the students more familiar with each other. That doesn't really work because we're all doing this online. But here's an activity that I think you can do individually and send it to me. Okay, so this icebreaker is called 3 time tenses, 3 things about you. Let's have a look. So there are 3 questions. One of them is about the past, one of them is about the present, one of them is about the future. So the first question about the past. What is your best memory or memories from high school? Okay, so I want you to just think about this question and try to write an answer. And here is an example. So this would be my answer. And I'm just going to read this and you can read it as you listen to my voice. Okay, my best memory of high school is playing football every day. During almost every lunch break, my friends and I would gather on the playing field and just play football. I don't remember how we chose the teams, but sometimes there would be 15 or more boys on each team. Someone would always bring a football to school, although I don't think I ever did. It was like a natural part of school life for us, just like taking math or science classes. I think playing football every day really helped us to bond socially, as well as lose any stress from studying in the classroom. The only negative thing was sometimes our trousers got covered in mud because we played on a grass field. Sometimes my mum wasn't happy with me after school. Okay, next slide. Oh, well, there's a picture of the football. Right, now the present tense. What have you been doing these days? Which means recently. What have you been doing recently? Here is an example answer for me. Like most people in Korea, because of the coronavirus, I have been staying home quite a lot recently. I've been watching more films and TV shows than I usually would. And I've also been watching some Korean films, such as The Taxi Driver and Way Back Home. I've also been watching a lot of sport, such as English Premier League football and cricket. However, now those sports have been suspended because of the virus, so I'm feeling sad and disappointed about that. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Future tense. How do you think learning English might help you in the future? Right, now for this one, I'm not going to give you a full paragraph example, but you could use will, might, or could for future situations. So I'll just give you a few examples using those words, and instead of English, I will use Korean. How will learning Korean help me in the future? Okay, so learning Korean will help me to understand people better while I live here. And I will be able to communicate and have conversations with them. Learning Korean might help me to be a better teacher, as I might be able to listen to my students better. Learning Korean could help me complete tasks such as visiting the bank or the post office more easily and make my life more comfortable. Okay, so those are just some examples there for the future tense. Now, homework assignment 1. Okay, this is an assignment I am giving you. It is an ice-breaking exercise, but we're also going to count it as a homework assignment 1. So you have to answer the 3 time-related questions, past, present, future. Here they are one more time. What is your best memory or memories from high school? Now use past tense verbs, but remember, a memory sentence starts with using the present tense. My best memory of high school is, because it is your memory from now. Okay, so please refer to my example to help you answer this question. Question 2, what have you been doing these days? What have you been doing recently? And you can use I have been plus a verb with an ing ending. And please refer to my example. I have been watching movies. The third one, how do you think learning English might help you in the future? And you can use will, might, or could for future situations. Okay, so here are the rules for this assignment. Number 1, you should complete this task by March 31st, but sooner is better. So you can do it before then if you want to, but March 31st is the deadline. Usually I would suggest sooner the better. Number 2, write your full answer to all 3 questions. This is a writing exercise. Attach a Microsoft Word document or just write in the email. Please do not send me Hangul, Hansoft, any of those programs. If you're going to attach a document, please make sure it is Microsoft Word. Number 3, add your photo, please. And number 4, please email to me using the email that I showed you in the syllabus PowerPoint. And in your email, please use this as the subject. Assignment 1, your class, day and time, your student number and your name. So for example, assignment 1, Monday 3 o'clock, 2020 1234, Scott Prince. Okay, so there you go. Please complete this ice-breaking activity. You only have to write your answers. You don't have to record any speaking. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.